All right, what's up, fuckers? So we got the drive shaft in today, but this is normally what my toolbox looks like before the day's over. You know, shop phone, my phone. Okay, so we have a drive shaft to do, and I'm gonna show you what it'll look like when a U-joint is out. We're not doing the drive shaft, we're just doing the U-joints. So I'll show you what it looks like with the U-joint out and with it in, give you some pointers because the drive shaft was snapped out of the truck, so I can't show you removing it. So here's what it'll look like when you first look at it. Now, these are attached to each other. As you can see, it's kind of moving, so there's a little bit of play in this steel line right here, right there. But it'll have 4 screws or 4 bolts, and they'll be 12-point ½ inches, and we'll have to remove those, and then this will fall. Usually I use a ratchet strap to hold up, to give me like a safety net, so that way I can just take a pry bar and yank on it, pop it out, and let it fall on that. This is what it looks like when it's out. Now if you have a press, you're golden. Just attach the press, because I can't show you how to do that, but it'll grab the U-joint on the side where those 2 pieces are, and then it'll push down, and it'll push them out after you get the snap rings out. If you don't have one, this is how you'll have to do it. You'll take an acetylene torch like this one here, and you will cut the U-joint. And the way that I do it is I jam it into this, I start cutting here, and I jam it into this corner, and I just cut right along that. So it'll be pretty much, you'll be cutting this, it'll be on this piece, because these are the ones that are pressing. And the easiest way to do that, once you get that cut, you'll be left with just these. I'm not going to touch that because it's fucking hot. But if you can see that, that's what you'll be cutting out. And what you'll do is you'll heat up right here. Don't heat it up too much because you'll fuck with the temper, but just heat it up a little bit. Kind of try and knock some of that rust loose. And then I usually use a socket. So this is what I use. For ours, it works great. It's a 1 and 1/8. 1 and 1/8. I don't know if you can read that. Yeah, there you go. There's a little bit better. All right, 1 and 1/8, and either ball peen, it's a good old-fashioned ball peen, or I'll get a bigger hammer like that. I'll just start wailing on it and whacking. And right now, I'm waiting on clarification because I put that U-joint in a couple of weeks ago. So I'm waiting on clarification from my boss, since every single U-joint in the drive shaft now has been snapped. We think it was the driver shock loading the truck fully loaded in the snow and just snapping it, but I need to know from my boss if I can cut that, because you can still use it. It's questionable, but I wouldn't. So waiting on confirmation from that, and then if I'm able to cut that, then I will put you on my toolbox and we will roll some footage and I'll cut it. There you guys go.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
See that? So this is what you'll be seeing when you're done. Clean all the way through. That's how you want to cut it. Real easy. More to come, y'all.
Audio Jungle.
It's out. Now usually you'll take out this fire first, but I said fuck it. There's a cut version. That's what you'll have left. And you'll just hammer these caps out. Might be hot enough now where you can just do it straight, but we're gonna get some water on this and cool her down, baby.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.